The way that scientists think about biology is changing, and it's weird, and I gotta tell you about it. Stay with me. Alright, so you've probably heard of homeostasis at some point. It's pretty much the idea that living things can regulate their internal environments and keep things running smoothly despite whatever may be going on in the outside world. Everything that's alive does it, and once you're not able to do it anymore, you're probably not alive anymore. One example is body temperature. You need to be at around 98 degrees Fahrenheit to be healthy and functioning. So even when you're in cold, freezing weather, your body's fighting really hard to keep your insides really warm. And if it can't do that, hypothermia might set in and all sorts of bad stuff starts to happen. But what's interesting is that basically every high-level machine humans have ever built also maintains a homeostasis of sorts. When you set your home thermostat to 65 degrees, you're telling your house, this is my ideal temperature. Your house then keeps tabs on that, and if it starts getting a lot warmer outside, it figures out exactly how to behave to maintain that 65 degrees inside. It's not just temperature though. The same concept applies when you're trying to keep any variable of interest at a desired value. And engineers have developed a set of principles to ensure that our machines can really efficiently do that. We call that set of principles control theory. And here's a crazy thing. We figured out that, for the most part, you can use control theory to analyze and manipulate regulatory systems in real living things, which is wild. This language that we have for machines also happens to work with life. Okay, that's cool and all, but why is it important? Well, a vast number of human diseases are caused by a breakdown in these regulatory systems, a breakdown in homeostasis. So if we could figure out how to rebuild that in the body when it fails, theoretically you could treat a lot of diseases. And researchers are working on that. In 2016, researchers implanted these special engineered cells in type 1 diabetic mice. These cells were able to sense high blood sugar levels in the mice and, in response, automatically produced just enough insulin to bring blood sugar levels back down to normal. And that's barely scratching the surface. We're just starting to understand how these regulatory systems in living things work and how to fix them when they break. And I think it is so cool that making connections between two disciplines that seem like they should be totally unrelated is what's helping us push the envelope. It's all connected.